I'm going to show you how to paste content from Microsoft Word into Salesforce and to troubleshoot some of the problems that inherently happen when you're doing this. Okay, we have a Salesforce template here. This is a test of the multi-purpose template. I'm just going to go to Content and pick up a content block, the letter block. Just drag it over. And we're going to replace this text. So coming over to Microsoft Word, I've got a document here. It has some hyperlinks in it. And so very quickly I'm going to show you what happens. It has formatting, it has hyperlinks, and we do want to keep the hyperlinks, but we don't want to keep the formatting. So we click on Edit, and over here we'll paste in that content. And you'll see the hyperlinks came through. It's the wrong color. It's the wrong typeface. So that didn't really work. I'm just going to undo that. Sometimes one of the other things is if you take the text from Microsoft Word and you strip out the formatting, blank slate, but then you lose the hyperlinks. So our goal is to be able to adopt the styles from Salesforce, but keep the hyperlinks over here in Word. So what we're going to do is select all of the content in Word, and with the Home tab selected, and under the Styles dropdown, select Clear Formatting. And what that did was it got rid of the formatting, so the heads are not defined and the ordered list is not defined, but the paragraph spaces are still there, and our hyperlinks are there. And now it is just the normal style, and we're going to go into normal, and we're going to modify it to be Arial. And our hyperlinks are blue, and we want them to not be blue, so we're going to go under the hyperlink style. Hope you can see that. This is the styles pane under Home, hyperlink in the bottom. Under the drop-down arrow, click Modify Style. And we're just going to change the color. Ideally, this would be a hex color that is the same as the one in Salesforce. I don't know how Microsoft Word works with that. How Microsoft Word, how we can create colors in Microsoft Word. So I'm just going to assign it a dark gray and say OK. And they all change to gray. And now with it still selected, I'm going to copy it, Command-C in a Mac and Control-C in Word. And then over here in Salesforce, select all that text, which is the letter, delete it, and then paste Command-V or Control-V on the PC, your text. And you can see that the text is now here, and the links are still here, and they're gray. So all is left is to replace some of the styling that got lost. So select your heads and make them a head style. In this case, I'm making them H2s, and format the list again. I'm not going to walk through that, but you know, that's it. So those are the steps to getting your text pasted in from Microsoft Word, preserving the hyperlinks and allowing us to adopt the styles that are in our Salesforce template.